All right, let's talk about space. You know, that giant, empty, terrifying thing above our heads that we pretend we understand. But here's the kicker. Some of the stuff you were told about space is straight up wrong. Not just, oops, we miscalculated a decimal. I'm talking about things that sound true, got repeated so much we all believe them. But the science? Nah, it says otherwise. So today we're going to expose a bunch of space myths that people still believe, and probably roast a few of your childhood science teachers in the process. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to bring you more of this content. Let's go. Let's start with this classic, the dark side of the moon. Sounds spooky, right? Like there's vampires or secret alien bases. Well, hate to break it to you. The moon doesn't have a permanent dark side. It's tidally locked to Earth, which means the same side always faces us, but both sides get sunlight. It's not dark, it's just far. The far side of the moon is the correct term. But hey, Pink Floyd still made it sound cool. Also, fun fact, the far side of the moon has way more craters. It's like the universe just forgot to use protection on that side. In space, no one can hear you scream. Remember that line? Yeah, it's iconic, but also not totally true. Space doesn't have air, so sound like we know it doesn't travel. But telescopes like Voyager and Hubble pick up radio waves and plasma oscillations. NASA literally turned those signals into eerie space sounds. It's like the universe is humming. So, yeah, it's not dead silent. More like weird, vibey space, ASMR. Imagine a horror movie score, but real. Thanks, Cosmos. Now let's talk about black holes, aka the most misunderstood flex in the universe. They're not roaming the galaxy like cosmic Roombas, sucking up everything. Chill. If our sun magically turned into a black hole, which it can't, it's too small, Earth would keep orbiting, just colder and more depressing. Black holes only pull stuff in if you get too close. Otherwise, they're just there, bending space and refusing to pay rent. Also, they don't suck things like a vacuum. They just have gravity. Extreme gravity. If you're dumb enough to fall in, that's on you, fam. This one might make you question everything. The sun is actually white. Yeah, that warm yellow glow. That's Earth's atmosphere doing Instagram filters. In space, where there's no scattering of light, the sun shines pure white, like a flashlight from the gods. So next time someone draws a yellow sun, just know they're scientifically inaccurate and probably can't be trusted. Also, they still color inside the lines, can't relate. Now get ready for a brain melter. There's something in space called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. No joke, it's a massive cluster of galaxies that spans over 10 billion light years. How big is that? If light left one side when the dinosaurs died, it still wouldn't have reached the other side. And yet we exist, on one little blue dot, in a quiet corner, like the cosmic version of living in the suburbs. Also, who names these things? Someone give that astronomer a Netflix deal. Let's end with our messy red neighbor, Mars. It has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, like 3 Everests stacked. Its dust storms can cover the entire planet. And some of that dust, older than Earth. Like Mars is out here wearing vintage outfits. Also, Mars has the biggest canyon in the solar system, like Grand Canyon, but on steroids. And the cherry on top? If you tried to talk on Mars, you'd sound like a dying kazoo. No air equals sign, no fun. One last mind trip. The universe? It's not just expanding, it's expanding faster than the speed of light. Which sounds illegal, but it's not, because it's space itself that's stretching, not stuff moving through it. Imagine dots on a balloon as it inflates. The dots aren't zooming around, the balloon is just getting bigger. That's how galaxies are flying away from us at wild speeds. Some so far, we'll never see their light again. Ever. So, yeah, the universe is literally ghosting us. Rude. So yeah, they lied to you. Or maybe just didn't know better. But space is way weirder, cooler, and more confusing than they let on. Hit like if your brain is spinning, subscribe if you love facts that destroy everything you thought you knew, and comment the space myth you believed growing up. I'm Ultor, and this has been your weekly existential crisis. Catch you in the next one.